Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can fix your Instagram login error. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. I'm going to teach you various methods to fix your Instagram login error. So for method 1, firstly open up the settings menu on your device like this. After the settings menu opens up, scroll down and find the apps option and click on the manage apps option. Now you'll be guided to this page. On this page, search for the Instagram app, open it up, and on the bottom of your screen you'll see 3 options. Now among those 3 options you'll see the clear data option. Go ahead and click on it and then click on this clear cache option and confirm it. Now all the excess data from your Instagram has been removed. This should fix your Instagram login error. If that method didn't work for you, don't worry, I have another method in store for you. Now for method 2, what you can do is contact the support center of Instagram. So open up the Instagram app, go to help like this, and then contact the support center by clicking on this and reporting a problem. Now for method 3, what you can do is uninstall the app and install it again. So for that, just find the Instagram app, long press on it, and then click on the uninstall button which appears on this box. This method should fix your login error on Instagram. I hope this video helped you to fix your login error on Instagram. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.